Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, go to search bar and type your task manager. Then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task and type here PowerShell. Now check this box and click on OK. On this window, we need to execute the command that will be sfc /scan now and hit enter. This command will take a lot of time, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. We need to complete this up to the 100%. So we will run this process in the background. Till then we will complete the next methods. So we need to find out the task file explorer on the task manager. So just open file explorer, minimize it and find out the file explorer. Here it is, Windows Explorer. So right click on it and click on end task. Now click on run new task, then type your explorer .exe and click on OK. Now it will refresh all the background windows on your operating system. Now simply close this window. Now press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Now type here regedit and hit enter. Select S. Now let me go back to the main screen. That will be here. Now expand HKey current user HKey current user folder. Then expand the software folder. In the software folder, expand Microsoft folder. Now expand Windows folder. Here it is. Now we need to expand the current version folder. In the current version folder, we need to find out Explorer. Here it is. Expand this. Now go to advanced. Now on the right side, just select the advanced folder. On the right side, right click here, create a new default value and name it as enable XAML start menu and hit enter. Then right click on it, select modify and make sure we have to set the value data as 0 and click on OK. Now close this window, check out this one. Once done, type exit and hit enter. Now simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.